Hello again and welcome to a market update after the market close 31st of March 2023. As always, we begin with the S&P 500, give us the big picture view. As the stock market trend goes, so do your individual stock trades. That's why in this each week we look at the big picture and the short-term picture that's coming up this week. So long-term picture, it remains the same. We're in a transitioning mode. That long bear market that dominated 2022 broke this year, and it's kind of, you can see now it's sort of trying to figure its way. It's up and down below this key moving average here, the 40-week moving average. Had a great couple of weeks after a little bit of an upset here, but the main thing is that this moving average, the direction of it, is starting to curl upwards, as you can see, like that, and that is a big trend indicator, and it's healthily above it and have a nice healthy close on Friday. So we're in a transitioning, or what I call a fox market. And let's look at what's going to happen this week, what we think might happen this week, of course. So we had the golden cross here, which means the 50-day cross is the 200-day. Although I did say at that time that typically means lower prices in the immediate term, and that's exactly what happened. But ultimately higher prices, and so this is what we're pulling out of now. The market is a little bit stretched right here. I think it remained bullish for this week, but just so you know, it is, at that rubber band has been pulled quite far in the upwards direction. Let me tell you what the bears are looking for, what needs to be maintained. The bears, the people who are thinking this market's going to come down, are now seeing what's called a head and shoulders, and that would be left shoulder, head, and right shoulder forming. And if that's the case and it comes back down again, that's the line the bears would be looking at. If that line gets broken, then that would be lower prices ahead. That wouldn't be good at all. But hopefully all things remain on the upwards. Every other indicator I'm looking at here says this market does have some room to run this week. The VIX has come down. We're still in the moon cycle that's favorable. The other averages, the Dow and Jones is confirming that move, starting to curl upwards here. The Dow was leading the whole way. Nasdaq's doing very nicely. That's pushed up above there. In fact, technology, if you look at XLK, that is the sector to be in right now, and that's reflected in the Nasdaq. And that'll probably be the one to maybe lead out of this. But so all the averages, the main averages are confirming. The canary in the coal mine is the Russell, the smaller companies. Similar sort of picture here, could be a bit healthier, but they're all starting. You can see that moving average line, that all important blue line, start to pull out of that dive, and that's important. Regarding the global economy, copper is a good indicator, and likewise that's starting to curl up out of the downtrend here. So that's all for this week, and I will speak to you next time.